Jai Srimanarayana. 25th sloka from 17th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Om Tat Iti Anabhisandhaya Phalam Yajna Tapah Kriyaha Danakriyascha Vividhaha Kriyante Mokshakankshibhihi. Om. Understand that the term Tat signifies Paramatma Srimanarayana. Keep on performing all your divine activities, seeking final release, seeking release from the cycle of this birth and death. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam Saranam Vraja Ma Suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall understand and remember that Tat, the term, signifies you. Ho Srimanarayana, I shall keep on performing all my divine activities, auspicious activities, seeking final release from this cycle of birth and death. Ho Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please make me as your best instrument. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadravasayyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamανupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. Om Haraye Namaha. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 357th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Krishna Paramatma conveyed his request to Brahmanas through Gopalas. But Brahmanas did never say yes or no. They just kept quiet. Then Gopalas came back with despair and told everything what happened to Krishna. Then tat upakarnya bhagavan prahasya jagadishvaraha vyajahara punargopan darsayan laukikim gatim. After heard from Gopalas, Jagadishvara Sri Krishna Paramatma gave a nice smile. And then again he is saying to Gopalas like this, Oh my dear friends, now you go to the wives of those Brahmanas. Go there and then Mam Jnapayata Patnibhyaha Sasankarshanamagatam Dasyanti Kamamannam Vaha Snigdha Mai Vushitaha Dhiya. Tell them that I myself and along with Balarama came here. Then they will give you food immediately, because those Brahmanas' wives has so much of devotion, affection to me. They always engage their mind and intellect on me with me. That is why they will immediately give you food. Like that Krishna said and sent his friends to Brahmanas' wives. Then they came all the way to Brahmanas' wives, and then Natva, Gopalas bowed their head and did namaskaram. And then Pasritahidamabruvan, with so much of humbleness, Gopalas saying, asking Brahmanas' wives like this, Govulame puchuna koni, Govindundu annamadigi koni randani, Mami velan buttinchenu, Dhi vilasitalara, Randu tendu annambul. Oh my dear women, Brahmanas' wives, Sri Krishna is now gazing cows very close by here. He is now hungry. He sent us to you to get food from you all for him. Please give us food. Like that, Gopalas requesting Brahmanas' wives. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Haraye Namaha. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 17th chapter, 25th sloka. Tat iti anabhisandhaya phalam yajñatapah kriyah dana kriyascha vividhaha kriyante mokshakankshibihi. Tat iti anabhisandhaya phalam yajñatapah kriyah dana kriyascha vividhaha kriyante mokshakankshibihi. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.